Jason Scar, it is asked that if you have time of 5 seconds and you hear an echo of something. So echo is what? First sound travels to a place where from where it gets reflected and then it comes back. So for sound, we will see if it requires 5 seconds to come back and we listen this sound. If we consider velocity of sound to be 346 meter per second, then simply velocity is nothing but distance divided by time. So distance would be 346 divided by, multiplied by 5, which is a time. Okay, so we will get 1730 meters. But this distance is entire distance going away and then coming back. So this should be divided by half and then we will get this much distance is travelled by a sound, or this is the distance 865 meters is a distance between cliff of a mountain to the place where the sound gets reflected. Now next topic is multiple reflection of sound and uses of it. So you have heard this kind of instrument, sarnai, even trumpet, which is sung by band baja, or a loudspeaker. The shape of that is wider on this side and smaller on this side. So what happens? Sound gets multiple time reflected and then coming out to be emerging more. Okay, that's why we you have even seen Bhopu or something like that in auto rickshaws. Next is stethoscope. Stethoscope is an equipment, something like this. Doctor puts inside their ear, and next this chain which is end by this particular shape. So these particular thing is kept on your chest and then sound is observed. So this stethoscope basically with the help of this they are able to listen the heartbeat as well as the cough or something like that is getting accumulated inside your lungs or etc. If severe case, then you are supposed to do CT scan, otherwise doctor can say whether it is dry cough or another one. So sealing of a hole. So hole sealing, basically we are talking about concert hall or a town hall or a hall which has a capacity of having like 2000 or 3000 people together inside. So the ceiling are generally curved. So what happens? Sound gets reflected from the ceilings and then comes back. There is no loss of energy. So these kind of ceilings are done for holes. Even the sound system, a thing which creates sound, are basically curvy shapes. So it penetrates more or it spreads more amount of sound or evenly distributes the sound. Next topic is range of hearing. Hearing range, that is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Dogs are able to listen frequency up to 25 kilohertz. If frequency is lower than 20 hertz, it is called infrasonic frequency. Rhinoceros there is evidence that rhinoceros make this frequency below or something approximately equal to 5 hertz and they communicate with each other. Same is seen in whales as well as elephant. If sound is greater than 20 kilohertz, it is called ultrasonic sound. Even earthquake sound are also like infrasonic sound, very least sound. Cats are supposed to listen this kind of sound. If it is greater than 20 kilohertz, it is called ultrasonic sound, and these sounds are utilized by dolphins to communicate with each other or to know the place where they are going, even bats to catch their food, even certain kind of moths, so they can escape from the bat's capture. Rats are also found to have some games with the help of this kind of ultrasonic sound. And that's all for now. Thank you.